This is your sign. Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. Do not wait. So currently this is what everything looks like. The election, oh man. So Trump is president. Trump is president. But that election stuff messed me up. It didn't really, it was just a lot of back and forth. I kept trimming and then hedging and then trimming and then squeezing and then hedging. And so I ended up, making about 200 something dollars. I ended up having to cut some losses as of this was today. So today I'm up $2.33 over the last week, 329. But I'm in 100 or $1,400 a drawdown. So that is something that I've got to work out, and I have no doubt that I will. It's just a matter of just being consistent with it. So one of the things that I did change up though is I changed up the style in which I am trading the the TradingView Challenge. I am in all of these trades right here, and I am using Nick Sean's DCA concept in order to manage them. So if we looked at West Texas Oil, I got into a trade here. It looks like it's getting ready to close out. I got into a trade, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to keep track of this, but basically I got into a buy up here for some reason. I don't remember why. Got into a buy up here. It came further down. I got into another buy, and then I just moved the take profit a little bit into position. Actually, I might extend that because it looks like it's going to rebound off that pretty nicely. So we're going to do that. So I just extended that a little bit just to come about halfway. Why? Because we've had a nice little push here into this level, which could be support, and it looks like we are bouncing off. So, it's just things like that. Euro USD plummeted. I was in a buy at this level here, and then I waited till price got here, took another buy. This is about halfway in between the two, and now I'm just waiting for price to rebound to see what's going to happen. I think I have 28,000 more positions to do, so I could actually do another one. See, so we come here, create limit order, market, units, 28,000. No stop loss, no take profit because we're managing it as we go. That moves it down there. So the position has moved a little bit. And now if price just pops up in here, if price just pops back up in here, I can get out for roughly a little bit above break even. So cool on that one. Same thing here. We had a nice sell off on silver and gold, both of which have done the same exact thing. I'm just waiting for price to continue moving forward. I got 17 units here. I'm only 6 in right now, so I got plenty of room to continue adding. SPX 500 shot up straight hard. I'm in 3 positions there. I have 8 total, and so I'm waiting for price to come back. If it shoots up a little bit higher, I'll get in a little bit more, but I'm just waiting for price to roll over. What is this one? This is Ethereum. So I'm waiting for prices shot up. I'm waiting for a pullback. If we can get a pullback down to this area here, then that'll be where my take profit is. So that'll be nice. And then Bitcoin shot up. I do have a stop loss on this one because this one is at its max capacity. 0.25 is as much as I can hold within this challenge, and so I am holding it there. That is how I'm managing those positions. It's new. I have been watching Nick Sean do this for a little while, and he's done it really well. I believe, in essence, I could do something very similar with the hedging. The hedging is very similar. The way that it is managed and trimmed out, you could do something very similar with that. Technically, my USD CAD trade is the same. Positions with an overall hedge all the way up top. And so if price can roll over, then all these would be into nice profit. I was actually in profit earlier in the week yesterday before election stuff came out, and we've come back. We're now retesting this. I don't know if this is going to cause it to come down. We'll see. But if not, then I can get hedged and just manage it how I normally would. But this is a way that I could possibly look at getting into particular positions as if price continues moving. I can get out quickly if it rolls over instantly. But if for some reason price comes against me, I can just add and stack positions with an overall hedge position if need be. We'll see how that works. So far, I can't really say anything because this is the first time that I've done it in US with this USD CAD trade. All the rest have been relatively the same in regards to hedging and trimming and squeezing. See where things go. Can we talk briefly just about how often this sort of thing happens? So, and granted, this happened a couple days ago, but either way, I'm just noticing a few of them. This is one of those moments where this was your stop loss, you'd have been out, only for it just really just pinged it. It didn't do much, and yeah, and I mean those would have same thing here. These would have been perfect opportunities for squeezes. All it did to come down there, test it, and then go. That's just one. That's NZD USD. NZD CAD did the exact same thing. Came down here, tested it, and then went back. Look, this would have been beautiful. I think I wouldn't have been flat, but good gracious, this would have been pretty. But no, it came down there, pinged it. This would have been all squeezing, if not closing, and then running some other stuff. Odd USD, not the same. That's fine. That's cool. What did happen is nope, not there. Those are fine as well. NZD CHF. See, there's another one right down there. Do you see that guy right there? Just pinned it before coming all the way up. This would have been so beautiful. But price does that all the time. And this is one of the beauties of hedging is, it doesn't really bother me. It bothers me a little, but it doesn't bother me as much as taking that hard loss because I know I can eventually just manage it away. It's just going to take me a little bit longer. So instead of, buying that Lamborghini today, I can just buy it tomorrow. I'm not really buying a Lamborghini. I can't even get in and out of my wife's Honda Civic very nicely. I can't even, that thing's too low to the ground. So a Lamborghini, not happening for me. I'd have to roll out of it. It would be very, very awkward. So this is just one of those things that I've enjoyed with hedging. It's removed a lot of the stress. Currently, I have 3 positions that are not hedged. I have 5 that are hedged, and I'm just going to continue working them.